All right, you can start. Yes, Gulshan?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Students who have,
We
1 minute. Students who have the camera switched off, I'm sorry, they will be removed from the class. Please follow the rules and stay in a discipline mode. Yes, Gulshan, start.
Yes, ma'am. We have written five sentences per one word. First sentence I would like to speak. Allowed. That is, yeah, allowed. We are allowed now to go outside.
Mm-hmm.
And this is first sentence. And the next sentence is, if you sorry, if she is here, it's because she is allowed to be here.
Hmm.
And the third is, I am not allowed to take you anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And fourth, he was not allowed to drink the juice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And next word is ALOUD, allowed.
Allowed.
That is, it's mean allowed is okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Allowed, clearly heard.
Heard.
And yeah,
Clearly heard. Yeah.
yes, yes, ma'am. He read the numbers aloud again.
You read the numbers aloud again, right?
Again.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And second is, she reads the words aloud and she snorted.
Are these your sentences, Gulshan, or you
Uh,
have taken down from the internet?
what, ma'am?
Are these your own sentences, or have you taken it down from the internet?
A little more.
So this is when you are taking things down from the internet, it's okay to read it, it's okay to research, but when you are taking the entire thing down from the internet, so you are curbing your creativity. आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को दबा रहे हैं। फिर आपकी मेहनत क्या है? आपने इंटरनेट खोला और आपने सेंटेंसेस देखा, उसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर लिया। ऐसे आप करेंगे तो आप क्या लगता है कि ये सही चीज है क्या? आपका कॉन्शियस क्या कहता है? इज इट राइट? वो ठीक है, आपने देखा है, आपने कुछ वर्क किया है, आपने रिसर्च किया है, आपने सेंटेंसेस आप खोले हैं, ढूंढा है आपने, और आपने उसको फिर लिखा है। लेकिन ये भी तो बात होती है ना कि फिर ठीक है वो आप करिए, आप उसको लिखिए, लेकिन फिर उस अपने सेंटेंस ही बनाइए। ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस आप जरूर लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके नीचे अपना बनाया सेंटेंस लिख लीजिए। तो इंटरनेट की सेंटेंस सुन के तो मुझे भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा और आपको भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा। ठीक है, अगली बार से कुछ होमवर्क लीजिएगा तो इंटरनेट का सहारा लीजिए जरूर, लेकिन फिर अपना भी कुछ क्रिएटिविटी करिए, नहीं तो
Okay.
फिर बात बनेगी नहीं, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी जहाँ जहाँ की तहाँ रह जाएगी। चलिए
पूरा इंटरनेट का नहीं है।
हाँ या
पूरा
हाँ,
इंटरनेट का नहीं है।
वो हम समझ रहे हैं, वो सब सारा नहीं है, but then if this practice is not good, read. I'm not asking you don't read, पढ़िए भी और लिखिए भी, सेंटेंसेस लिख लीजिए। आप जानिएगा तो कि कैसे बनाई जाती है सेंटेंस, एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस होता है ना,
Okay,
और
ma'am.
उसी उसी के आधार पे आप अपना बनाइए।
Okay, ma'am. Next time I will make myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else has come up with some sentences? तो देखिए थोड़ी सीरियस आपको, सिंस आप यूज टू नहीं है कि मेरा क्लास देने का तरीका क्या है, आई एम अ लिटिल सीरियस। जब हमने टास्क दिया हुआ है तो हम चाहेंगे आप टास्क करिए, और ऐसे जो फर्स्ट टाइम बिता दिया आप, उस तरह से नहीं होगा। थोड़ी मेहनत आपको करवाएंगे और तभी आप आगे बढ़ेंगे। आपके पास वो सब कुछ है लेकिन आप वो कर नहीं रहे। तो ये तरीका मत लीजिएगा कि और बिजनेस इंग्लिश हो या फिर मैथ्स हो, और आप आईटी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बीसीए, आपको प्रैक्टिस की बहुत ज़रूरत है। मैथ्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर फॉर्मूला जान गए हैं, समझ गए हैं, वर्ड्स मीनिंग भी जान गए हैं, बहुत वर्ड्स आपके पास है, उसको आपने यूज़ नहीं किया, तो दैट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज़। ये थ्योरी पेपर नहीं है, दिस इज अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल पेपर। बिजनेस इंग्लिश बहुत लिखने की जरूरत होगी, फॉर्मेटिंग की जरूरत होगी। द करेक्ट फॉर्मेट क्या है, करेक्ट इंग्लिश क्या है, नहीं किया तो करना शुरू करेंगे आप अभी। और होमवर्क नहीं करिएगा तो फिर टास्क पर टास्क से तो मिलते चला जाएगा। एक टास्क नहीं किया आपने, अब सेकंड टास्क आपको मिल जाएगा आज। अब नहीं करेंगे तो फिर आपको ब्लैक मार्क्स मिलता चला जाएगा। तो थोड़े सीरियस हो जाइए आप, ठीक है। और किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म, यस गुलशन।
Uh, actually, yes, ma'am. Actually, I have to know the difference between absolve and acquit.
First, did you understand my concern for you? Did
Uh,
you understand? Stay focused on the words which
I
were
said,
discussed. वो बात मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ गुलशन,
yes, ma'am.
जो
Absolve,
क्लास में हो रहा,
absolve.
that is fine. Stay focused on
Okay,
the
okay, ma'am.
words
Okay,
जो आपको मिला हुआ है। जब आपको 5
okay,
वर्ड्स जो
ma'am.
मिले
Thank
हुए
you.
हैं, उसी में रहिए ना फिर आप।
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
आगे की आप देखेंगे, हम समझेंगे ना, लेकिन हम तो चाहेंगे ना कि जो हमने आपको होमवर्क दिया वो आप करिए, ठीक है। Be focused on your studies, on the work which is given. सबसे most important thing is be focused on your work. And if you're not focused, now what was the word which you gave me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Absolve, and the second one is acquit.
What do you mean by acquit? And where have you learned this word? Tell me.
Acquit means ये किसी को कोई अपराध से, ब्लेम से उसको छुटकारा देते हैं.
हाँ, acquitted. एब्सॉल्व का
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब भी तो दोष मुक्त
और
करना होता
ये
है। एब्सॉल्व
absolve
दोष
का
मुक्त
भी
करना।
मतलब यही है.
हाँ, दोष मुक्त करना किसी को,
Sorry.
जैसे कोई ब्लेम नहीं है और उसको ये प्रूव कर देना कि ही इज नॉट गिल्टी। एब्सॉल्व, एंड ही वाज एक्विटेड।
Yes, ma'am. Acquit.
हम्म,
इसका भी मतलब यही बता रहा है.
इसका भी मतलब होता है वही है, ही वाज एक्विटेड, नॉट, इट मींस ही वाज नॉट गिल्टी। बरी कर, बाइज्जत बरी होना। एब्सॉल्व, एक्विट, these are synonymous, isn't it? So it is good that you are
Billings
taking, हाँ, यू आर टेकिंग डाउन वर्ड्स, बहुत अच्छी बात है। आप वर्ड जरूर लीजिए, वोकैबलरी जरूर कीजिए, और उसको उसको यूज करने की कोशिश कीजिए, राइट। सो जितने भी लोग आज क्लास में हैं, 38 स्टूडेंट्स, आप सुन लीजिए इस बात को, बिजनेस इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल जरूर है, लेकिन अगर आप करना शुरू करेंगे तो यू विल स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग, आप एक्टिविटी एंजॉय करना शुरू करेंगे। आप एक भार लेके चल रहे हैं बिजनेस इंग्लिश को। अगर आप इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट आई वी आर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ आईटी और वी डू नॉट नीड इंग्लिश, ऐसी बात दिमाग में है क्या? ऐसी बात दिमाग में है क्या?
नो मैम।
बीसीए के लिए है तो फिर इंग्लिश का इतना ध्यान क्यों नहीं? और इंग्लिश तो एग्जाम देने लायक हम करें जान ही लेते हैं। क्या सिर्फ आपको एग्जाम देना है इंग्लिश में?
नो मैम।
ये हमको बोलने की जरूरत पड़ गई है बिकॉज उतनी सीरियसनेस नहीं देखते हैं आप में, एंड यू हैव टू बी सीरियस, you be serious, right? You watch the YouTube classes of BBA AKU second sem, BCom AKU second sem, आप उनके वीडियोस देखिए, आप उनके क्लासेस देखिए। सीरियस थोड़े बच्चे हैं, इसलिए कि वो इसलिए भी सीरियस हैं कि वो 2-3-4 महीने से पढ़ रहे हैं, हमसे पहले से पढ़ रहे हैं, तो वो जानते हैं कि क्या करना है और नहीं करना है, तो फिर मुश्किल होगी। और एक वो बहुत हेल्दी कंपटीशन होता है उन लोगों के साथ, एंड प्रेजेंटेशन सब तैयार लेके आते हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज रेडी टू मेक द प्रेजेंटेशन। थोड़ी सी ऊर्जा कम लगती है आपकी क्लास में, थोड़ी सी एनर्जी लेवल कम लगती है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। शिवम, व्हाट आर यू राइटिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing
Ma'am.
something?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing something?
Yes. I make a sentence 2 and 2.
Okay, I am making a sentence. I have made a sentence.
Yes, I have make a sentence.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
What is the sound coming?
It,
Okay. Yes, Shivam, we are waiting for you. 2 and 2. No, आप कुछ भी करते हैं, you make a presentation in class. The first step is always the hardest. मुश्किल होगी बोलने में पहली बार।
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो
Yes, ma'am.
आदत हो जाएगी बाद में, जब आप देखेंगे हर क्लास में तो कुछ ना कुछ बोलना हमको है, then you will know. आइए शिवम।
Yes. Sentence. And that is of
Hello?
Ma'am, I have make sentence 2 and 2. There are 2 glasses of water is too hot.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Is this, ma'am? Is this sentence right or not? Wrong.
Which sentence?
There are 2 glasses of water is too hot.
Okay. There are 2 glasses of water.
Is too hot.
Okay. The water is too hot. The water
Yes, ma'am.
the water in the 2 glasses. 2 glasses are, and it is too hot.
Yes, ma'am. There are 2 glasses of water is too hot.
Why don't you restructure this sentence? The water in the glass. I cannot drink the water in the glass because it's too hot. Make a
Yes,
story.
ma'am.
Make a one-line story. I am thirsty.
Yes, ma'am.
But I am thirsty, but I cannot drink the water because it is too hot. So I ordered for 2
Yes, ma'am.
glasses of water. I ordered for 2 glasses of water, but I was unable to drink
Ma'am.
because it was too hot.
Ma'am, you said previous classes that you make can you make a sentence combine 2 and 2? So I make.
So
I make,
okay. So you make it like this. You make a story. Whenever you're making a sentence, you bring out your creativity. It is a story. Like I said, I was very
Yes, ma'am.
thirsty. I was very thirsty, right? I started with the story. I was very thirsty.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it was winter and I was feeling thirsty. So I ordered 2 glasses of water. But I could not drink because it was too hot.
Yes, ma'am.
Like a story
No.
wherein I had used both the two and the two. So whenever you make sentences, try to think of paragraphs.
Yes.
Then your English will also improve and your communication skills. You will forget your hesitations. Try to write more sentences, combine sentences. Put and, but, or. Did you understand, Shivam? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else would like to make sentences? Recap? No? All right, I'm sharing the screen with you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is for you task number 1. This is classwork. There will always be homework and classwork, like for classwork exercises for you to improve, because we really want you to improve. And without exercises and English without exercises and math without practicality has got to be there. Indulge in your maths करने से होगा और English भी करने से होगा, ऐसे नहीं होने वाला. चलिए, confusing words exercise. Choose the correct answer. You have to choose big, great, high, large, or tall. The first 1, 2, 3, 4 might be confusing for you. First, you attempt this, then I'll tell you the meaning. If you know the meaning, you tell me. Start writing in your notebook. Hello? Start writing.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed 4 sentences. Completed.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. So what is the meaning of, what did you put? I owe you, big, great, high, large, or tall?
Big.
Big.
I owe you.
Great.
Big.
Great.
How many of you have put a big time? What is I owe you? Big time, great time, what?
Big time.
Big time.
Great. Great time.
Great time. I owe you great time. I owe you big
Great.
time. Any other option you would like to put? A, B, C, D, any? Yeah. Yes, tell me.
What is the meaning of O-W?
O-W-E. O.
Yeah.
O.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me the meaning of O? I owe you something. You owe me some 5,000.
That is the
To lend. To lend.
हाँ या मतलब I owe you. You owe me. I owe you. मुझे तुम्हें क्या अगर ये सेंटेंस बोलते हैं I owe you big time. Anybody who has written big time, what is the meaning of big time?
To owe someone a favor about something.
Yes, I owe you big time means the expression, the idiom is I owe you big time. यहाँ पर आप big लगा देंगे. I owe you big time, which means you owe a favor. Somebody has done some favor to you. किसी ने आपके लिए बहुत बहुत कुछ किया है किसी ने आपके लिए, तो आप क्या करें? यू वांट टू थैंक द पर्सन. आप उसको वापस थैंक्स बोलना चाहते हैं, तो बोलते हैं कि या आई एम रियली वेरी थैंकफुल एंड आई रियली ओ यू बिग टाइम. इट मींस आई ओ यू अ बिग थैंक यू. ठीक है, बिग टाइम. This is an idiom. When somebody says I owe you big time, it means somebody would wants to thank. The second one, it is dash time.
High time.
High time. What do you mean by it's high time?
To get serious about things.
Yes, it's high time. Again, it's an idiom which means to get serious about things, which is correct. And who is giving me the right answers?
Arijit.
और कोई फिट नहीं होगा इसमें. It is high time. It means now it's high time you started focusing in your studies. मतलब टाइम से ज्यादा टाइम हो रहा है. Supposing you are out in a party or something, and you told your mother, you told your parents, I will be back by 9, and it is getting 9:15, और 9 से भी ज्यादा हो रहा है, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? It's high time, I must go now. It's high time. The third is you need to stand.
Tall.
You need to.
Tall.
क्या मतलब होता है? You need to stand tall.
Face the situation. Stand there and face the situation.
You need to stand tall का मतलब क्या होता है? He stood tall in the class.
Stand and face the situation. Stand tall.
Yeah, I did not get you. Yeah, what?
Means
Stand
it
tall
means
means?
to stand and face the situation.
You need to stand tall. Like we always, when we're writing content for our students, we say students are improving by degrees, and they stood tall in the competition. It means they made their mark. They made their mark. They made themselves heard. They made themselves felt. So you need to stand tall. It means you need to stand up for your achievements, for your success. To stand tall is an expression which means to stand up and to take the initiative. When you stand tall, it means you have already achieved that status. So when I say you need to stand tall, it means you need to make a mark. You need to start presenting. अपनी पहचान बनाना.
To be proud and confident.
Yes, he stood tall among others. मैंने कई बार ये idiom use किया है अपने students के लिए. When they go out and when it's an inter-college competition, especially in music and drama, our students have always stood tall. Even some students who met me a couple of days back, he's now working in Wipro. He came back and he met us, and then he said that, yeah, we are having a good time there also, and we have made a mark, and we stood tall there. When it was time for making in dramas and acting, so in cultural events, Simajans stand tall. It means they make their mark, they make their presence felt. वे अपनी पहचान बना लेते हैं. To stand tall, अपनी पहचान बनाना. जब हम बोल रहे you need to stand tall, कि तुम्हें अभी जरूरत है कि now it's high time that you stood tall. कि अब थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाते हैं और start speaking, start practicing, start participating, start speaking English, right? And the last is I want a dash class.
Large.
Why is only one person speaking? I want a dash glass of water. Why is just one person speaking? I don't understand. What is it?
Large.
I want a big.
Large.
Why not big? I want a big glass of water. Why not a large glass of water? And why not a tall glass of water? You must be familiar with large glasses. Large glass bottles. Large bottles. But are you familiar with tall glasses?
No, ma'am.
No. So this also is an expression which people are using. I want a tall glass of water. I want a tall glass bottle. Tall here means exceptionally large. But if you say I want a large glass of water, that's okay. That's fine. Nobody will say it's wrong English. The glass was big, okay, fine, no problem. But then when you come to speaking, selecting the most appropriate word, like how they give in the MCQs, so they will always opt for. You will see that right answer is tall glass. These are some expressions which you may have known, and you might have known, and might not have. Expressions are very important in English, whether they are idioms or phrases or whatever.
Ma'am, but here it could be right. I want a big glass of water.
It can be. I'm not saying. I told you. I cannot say it's wrong. I want a big glass of water. Technically, grammatically भी सही है. ठीक है. Large भी सही है, tall भी सही है. But MCQ में जो answers defined रहता है ना, the best answer will be tall. Or if the person is very lenient, he will say, okay, A, B, C. If the options are A, big, and B, large, and C, tall, you can very well say that the answer can be, if I am setting the paper, I can say the correct answer, B and C. I'm not saying it's wrong, right? But here, आपको choose करना है the best, the appropriate answer, which fits in. It's all about how well you know your idioms and phrases. So these 4 sentences were all about idioms and phrases. And the same word, big, great, high, large, or tall. Can you complete the first 5 sentences? The same words. Same. Hurry up and finish the first 5.
Big garden.
Large garden.
All right. You write down the answers first, 1 to 5. So there's a nice house with a
Large garden.
Large, ma'am.
Large garden.
Large garden.
okay. Albert Einstein was
Great.
Great, ma'am.
Great.
ये सब बोल रहे हैं. She is a very
Tall.
Yes.
Tall, ma'am.
Tall.
Tall.
okay.
High rate of inflation.
What rate?
High rate of inflation.
High rate of inflation.
Okay.
Maximum exporter.
My mother is
Tall. Feet
Tall.
tall. 6 feet
Tall.
tall.
my mother is 6 feet
Tall.
tall.
He's baking up. making a
Continue
big-
with the next. He is
Big mistake.
Big
he is
Big
making
mistake.
Big mistake.
Big
a big
mistake.
mistake. Can you see the
Large tree.
Large.
No, ma'am.
Tall tree.
Tall tree.
Big
Tall
tree.
tree.
Ma'am.
Tall tree.
No, ma'am. Big.
when it comes to building, I forgot to put building. I wanted to use building. when you talk about buildings, you will not say long buildings, big buildings. The buildings are really large. Tall buildings. So that missed my mind when I was making the exercise. So can you see the big trees behind the lake? The city has a
Large.
large.
High.
No, ma'am.
High
level of
pollution.
High.
Yeah. The chorus is correct. The city has a high level of pollution.
high.
Yeah. This pullover isn't.
Not large enough. Big enough or large enough.
No.
And big enough.
Big
This is
enough.
big
Ma'am.
enough.
Big enough, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I'm not confirm, ma'am, but I think
Not
so.
confirmed. Okay.
Ma'am, big or large? Ma'am, big.
Okay. These are all MCQs questions. So one A, B, C, D. Like you said, these are the MCQs that you have to get. 5 A, B, C, D, E, and this is what you're going to get in your exams. And so they are very confusing, and you will think
All of
you
these.
will feel none of these.
Most
or all of
appropriate we
these.
have to choose, na, ma'am.
Yeah, the most and frankly speaking, MCQ is a lot of fun also, and they are very confusing. You might want to put big, no, large, no, big is better. So it's all there. So my mother is 6 feet tall, and the city is has a high level of pollution. The pullover is
Big enough.
Isn't
Big enough.
big, तो नहीं होगा,
So, ma'am, large enough.
तो large होगा. चलो big नहीं तो large होगा. Marks तो कट जाएगा ना यहाँ पे तुम्हारा. Okay, my father lived to a dash age.
Ma'am, क्या होगा उसमें big or enough? Big or large?
इसमें
हाँ,
isn't large enough.
large.
Okay, my grandmother lived to a, my grandfather lived to a dash age. अब क्या फिट करेगा? My grandfather lived to a large तो हो नहीं सकता, big हो नहीं सकता,
Tall नहीं होगा.
high हो नहीं
Big
सकता.
is great.
great?
Great, ma'am.
Great. तो
Great.
देखिए आप ऐसे चूज कीजिए. Lived to a
High age.
big हो नहीं सकता, big हो नहीं सकता,
Ma'am,
high हो
great.
नहीं सकता, large हो नहीं सकता,
High
Great
होगा.
tall हो नहीं
tall हो
सकता.
नहीं सकता,
Great.
Great, ma'am.
high भी नहीं हो सकता. तो बचता है एक सीधा साधा ग्रेट. तो आराम से उसको my grandfather lived to a great age. और यहाँ पर आपके आंसर हैं. There is a nice house with a big garden. Albert Einstein was a great. ये आप सभी ने लिखा. Okay. She's a very tall child for her age. तो अपने age के लिए बहुत लंबी है. A high rate of inflation makes export uncompetitive. My mother is 6 feet tall. Easy. She is making a big mistake. Can you see the big trees behind the lake? The city has a high level of pollution. The pullover isn't big enough. And my grandfather lives to a great age.
Ma'am, big होगा वहाँ पे. आप बोली थी large enough. पर जब मैं पूछा था तो.
मुझे लगता है ये बिग ही होगा, because हमने बिग लिखा है तो बिग ही होगा. Otherwise,
Big होगा ma'am.
it is too large. देखिए जब अपैरल्स आप ढूंढने जाते हैं आपने तो क्या रहता है? स्मॉल, बिग रहता है ना, लार्ज, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज, वो रहता है कि नहीं रहता है? जब आप कोई शर्ट खरीदते हैं आप तो व्हाट आर द साइजेस? स्मॉल,
Medium, large.
Medium, large.
लार्ज भी रहता है,
Extra small भी रहता है.
एक्स्ट्रा
Extra
स्मॉल
Small भी
भी रहता है,
रहता है.
बिग रहता है क्या?
Large रहता है.
No,
Large.
ma'am.
Medium के बाद large
Large
आता है,
रहता
फिर
है.
extra
Large
large
आता
आता
है.
है, फिर
तो
double
ये
XL.
बिग तो यहाँ पर हो गई नहीं. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट अपैरल्स जो देखते हैं, स्मॉल, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज, लार्ज. So, class work will be done on the basis of जो पढ़ाया जाता है आपको, whatever is taught to you, उसी के basis पे class work होगा. ठीक है? And class work will help you. It is great fun when everybody is talking, when everybody is working in a workshop. It is a lot of fun. So written work is very important. Theory is very important. Practical is also important. So you need to speak also. बोलना भी है, करना भी। और थोड़ा मेरी क्लास में थोड़ी एनर्जी लेवल हाई रखिएगा। इस तरह से बैठे हुए बिल्कुल लग रहा है क्या बात करना है, मतलब क्या है, मतलब चेहरे पे 12 बजा रहता है। 3 बज रहा है यार, 4 बज रहा है। Today is Saturday, today is Friday, and you have to be, where's the smile? There's no enthusiasm in your class. वो नहीं होना चाहिए। एनर्जी लेवल थोड़ा हाई रखिएगा, वाइब्रेंट रहिए, सिविल में पढ़ रहे हैं आप। चलिए, that's all for today.